What's up, everybody? What do you do when Utah doesn't have enough snow? You use the perks of van life and drive 7.5 hours to the Crested Butte in Colorado. Clearly, they're still lacking on snow here though. But they're forecasting about 2 feet of snow for the next couple days, so I'm excited. All right, first legit run of the season, let's get it. Sticking to the blues. It feels so good to be back. I'm so happy. I've missed this. All right, first run's a success. Another one. Remember, snowboarders, keep the board over the foot to save your knees. Tips 101. Full disclosure, I did not look at the resort map, so I have no idea where any of these lifts are going. But that's what makes it fun. Let's get it. Oh, it brought me to the first lift I came up. Nice. Run number 2. It's all green. No bueno. When you end up on the greens, you gotta practice the tricks. And sometimes you fail. Gotta get back up, keep on going. Honestly sucks when you get stuck on a flat section on a board. Call this a cross-country snowboarding. Get that good scooch leg. Ollie, still got it, no big deal. I can feel my beard freezing over. Might need to start wearing this scarf more. Hopefully this is all covered in snow by tomorrow morning. Not risking that. Woohoo! 360. I missed it. Open slopes. Snow pouring down. Living life. Ollie! No big deal. We're making snow while it snows. Desperately trying to get these parks fully operational. I respect it. Honestly crazy that there's not been any snow this whole season already. Already halfway through December. But slow is boring. They really do have a lot of these trails still shut down. Hoping that changes in the next couple of days after we get all the snow coming in. We shall see. In the meantime, gotta keep on shredding and enjoying what we can. Easy. I think we went right last time, so let's go left this time and see where that goes. All right, so full disclosure, I did buy a new ski jacket for this winter, but it's not gonna wrap for like another 2 days in Salt Lake. So today we're just rocking a rain jacket and a couple hoodies. Gotta do what you gotta do. Starting to come down pretty good. Even with 2 feet of snow, I don't think all this is gonna get covered. So who knows if they're going to open up more trails by Friday. We'll find out. All right, so tips for getting off the lift. You wanna keep your board up, back foot on here, and then just stand up, push off. Easy peasy. I wish I could play in the trees. All right, so about 350, lift's closed at 4, so I think this is about to be the last run of the day. Let's make it count. Last run, let's practice some tricks. Oh. Almost. Hey! Nailed it at the last second. All right, that was a fun day 1. See y'all tomorrow. All right, so it's day 3 here on my adventure of chasing the fresh powder all the way to the Crested Butte here in Colorado. Full disclosure, I didn't film anything on day 2 because I'm an idiot and forgot to charge my GoPro batteries the night before. But we're here on this new lift and we're gonna see where it goes. Based on how slow it's going and how high it's not going up, I have low hopes. Guys, I was so wrong. There's so many double blacks up here. If only. All right, first run, day 3, let's get it. Ollie, no big deal. A little bit more crowds today. It is Friday though, so it makes sense. Boring. I guess the nice thing about that lift is it brings you to the main lift, so that was nice, less walking. Guys, there's so much more snow on the trails now. Look at this. Before, after. All right, round 2, sticking to the blues. So much snow. Guys, Remember how much snow was missing like 2 days ago? Look at this now. Guess that's what happens when you get 2 feet of snow in 2 days. I mean, it's still a little patchy, but it's a lot better than what it was at 2 days ago. Looks like some new trails opened up. Let's go check them out. I think the trees are open. We'll hit that on the next round. Rip. Ugh. Happens. This is too much powder. I have to walk out. That was tiring. Going for the fresh powder again. This time, stay in the line. Alright, that was fun. I'm glad they're opening up more trails. Let's go back, hit that one more time. I'm gonna hit the trees this time. Let's get it. Alright, going for the trees. Oh shit. I'm going that way. It's not really the season, can't wrinkle leg yet. It's coming down good. Let's go check out this other side of the mountain and see if they've opened up anything else. So they opened another trail. Let's check it out. First part is awesome, but it's so tiring when you get stuck to get out of it. Not gonna lie guys, I'm getting pretty cold, but I can't stop. I can't take any breaks. It's my last day. Gotta make the most of it. Alright, that was a fun 3 days, but it's time to call this adventure over. See you next one. Later.